You know, in life, we sometimes don't like people. For some reason, you're a human, I'm a human being. Sometimes you just want to keep away from someone. Hatred is a very high, big word. It's a very big word. For among the believers, it shouldn't even be a word. You say, perhaps you might dislike someone. You might have had a raw deal. You might have this. Clean your heart. That's what I said. And remember, when you love someone, love them in moderation. You know why? When you love them beyond any limit, that love only belongs to Allah. But when you love them beyond any limit, you might end up talking to them, telling them things, saying things that tomorrow, when you are no longer friends, they will hold you ransom with what you told them. They know a little bit too much about you. It's hard, you're stuck. You're like enslaved. أحبب حبيبك هونا ما عسى أن يكون بغيضك يوما ما. When you love someone, love him or her in moderation. MashaAllah, beautiful love. But there's certain things you need to hold back on. Relax, take it easy. You know why? One day you might not have that love anymore. Then what will happen? The same applies. When you dislike someone, be careful what you say about them. Don't be cursing and don't be harmful, hurtful to the degree that one day when Allah creates love between you and the one you used to hate, it's embarrassing. Because they remember what you said and what you did. Subhanallah. أبغض بغيضك هونا ما عسى أن يكون حبيبك يوما ما. When you dislike someone, detest them in moderation. Be calm, relax. Maybe stay away in a nice way. Allah says, وَهْجُرْهُمْ هَجْرًا جَمِيلًا. When you stay away, when you actually have literally, you don't want to talk to someone, do it in a sweet way, in a beautiful way. In fact, among the believers, Allah says, وَإِذَا خَاطَبَهُمُ الْجَاهِلُونَ قَالُوا سَلَامًا. When the ignorant address you, you just say, salam, and you walk away.